Going towards the proposed property, Sarjapur Road, and this is Sarjapur Vartur Road. You can see lot of residential apartments is coming up. This is Bosch, Roldan. Repose. Tata Motors. Baskin Robbins. Confident Group apartment. Spandana Hospital. So many developers, they have acquired the property and they are upcoming with new residential apartments. This is modern spaces. Dasta Consulto, Samsung, Elite, Green Trends, LG, IBO, Canara Bank, Godrej Interior. This is Prestige Apartments is coming up. Maruti Suzuki Service Center, and then this is Natura commercial spaces like Puma, KFC, Lenskart, Beijing Bites. And this is like a Prestige City entrance. This is the apartment. They have acquired almost around 200 acres and they are coming with around 1000 plus units plus 240 villas also. Lee, Wrangler, Levi's, Lakme Salon. This space is acquired by Skyline Group. Asset apartment. This is also one more Confident Group apartment. PSR Flora. Next junction on Luton Police. Good residential houses is there in this locality and developing also. Next junction there only. Next ಅಲ್ಲಿ Luton ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ. Ramraj, Santosh. This is the proposed property. In this junction, if you take straight, if you go in this road, it will comes to Gunjur, and this is the corner property what we are proposing. It G+1 with 6,200 square feet, G+1 floor. Thank you.